Brooks right here, once again, ready to share with you something I learned at work today. This was a challenge from a friend actually. Now, the challenge is, if I told you to go through this particular list, these are names of teachers who teach grade 1 up to 3, get me all these names here in one column without copying and pasting. Remember that some of the teachers, they teach more than 2 classes. So copying and pasting would be a waste of time. Don't even think about transpose. It won't help. Stick around and I'll show you how. Now, the name of the function that you can use to solve this problem is called flatten. Well, we'll start with an equal sign, then call the name of the function, then I'm going to pass the whole of this range that contains all the names, and I'm going to press enter. Immediately after that, you see that the names have been generated, but that's not it. The problem with flatten is that yes, it will give me results, but not that. Some of these teachers, they appear more than twice. That is because they teach probably 2 or more grades, like Steve Torres right there. Now, um, to solve this problem, I will have to wrap flatten inside the unique function. Now you realize that uh, I have to call the function unique and probably wrap flatten around it to ensure that I generate only unique values to avoid all these duplications and repetitions. I mean, this would be data redundancy. Now, once that is done, you notice that the count initially, our count was 54. We had 54 teachers, and now the unique values are only 24. 24, so that's good. So we actually have only 24 teachers. And that is how I was able to solve that problem. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I mean, this is a skill that comes in handy. Share it out with friends, colleagues. Share this video in other platforms. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.